Megan here with WTI, and if you hate food waste, let me tell you why this citrus juicer by Kasmoire is one of the best I've ever owned. Because you're manually twisting it, you are getting so much more juice out of your citrus fruits than you are with a handheld lemon squeezer. This particular one by Kasmoire is really cool because not only does it juice lemons, but there's an extra attachment on it so that you can juice bigger citruses like oranges or grapefruits. So I love the option that I can choose any size citrus I want. I really appreciate the rubber bottom because it makes it a little bit more sturdy on the counter when you're juicing so it's not sliding around. Sometimes the classics are best for a reason. I just love that with this one, I'm getting every ounce of juice out of my citrus fruits, and that's my point of view.